So let me start with a couple of examples of what potentially could be occurring. Imagine, you're walking down the street and you trip and fall, and it's late at night. How does somebody come and help you? How do you reach somebody who can help? Or imagine there is a sporting event that there's a big win and there's a big crowd that's gathering. How does the county know whether it's a crowd that they should be concerned with or not? Or imagine there's a fire alarm that is pulled. Is it because there is a fire, or is there some other type of emergency that we need to be aware of? So we're starting this pilot as an opportunity to understand how technology can help impact and improve the quality of the first responder and public safety responses. What we will be doing is identifying a limited number of use cases in a small area, although it's a very busy area, of Clarendon. Clarendon in the county has a significant number of businesses, both retail as well as restaurants, and it has a lot of traffic. And it's an area that we thought would be a good sample to be able to provide data points into our use cases. We've set up a project that is looking at this area for 4 use cases to make sure that we are aware of how we impact crowd safety, public health, and public safety. We also are aware of the privacy aspect. And what we are doing with this small scale project is putting in place guardrails with not only our expertise around privacy, but pulling on US Ignite and the 2 other partners, CCI, Commonwealth Cyber Initiative, and Comcast, to lend not only their perspective from privacy and data security, but also their expertise as we're moving forward in the project. Like I said, it's very small scale, but as we go through it, what we're hoping to do is make sure we have an understanding of really what's the impact on our public safety. And is this something that we should be moving forward with? And what is our assessment? Is this technology helpful? Is there a change in the quality of our response? If we were to do something, what would be other potential areas within the county or other focuses of what we should be considering? So thinking that in mind, so the assessment is what our end goal is. So US Ignite had approached us this summer of, is there something that you might be interested in doing around smart cities? And what we were interested in is, as you hear all of the terms around technology, such as IoT, AI, artificial intelligence, cloud, and cyber, let's look for a project that we can really understand at a deeper level. What does this mean to county services? So understanding that US Ignite worked with guiding us of, what are potential partners and what is the potential outcomes that we're looking to try to achieve. I think that guidance and that background helped move us forward in finding Comcast as a partner, as well as CCI, this is the Commonwealth Cyber Initiative. It was at the suggestion of US Ignite that we look for these additional partnerships, and we're very, very grateful to that. In the experience that I've had working with US Ignite thus far, I think their depth of background that they individually have, but also their experience of working with other communities has been, we've benefited from that multiple times. I think that the opportunity for them to bring forward specific examples of what's worked and what's not at a county or local city or local area level has helped us as we've shaped and moved forward on this project. But I'd say one of the biggest things for us, going back to the guardrails around privacy, is standing up the governance structure related to not only the project, but the privacy panel that we will be implementing for this project, because I think there's a lot of interest in making sure that those guardrails are in place.